This is nothing special. But this is something very special. So, this represents two things very near and dear to me. Video games and Studio Ghibli anime. This is in the art style of Studio Ghibli anime, and this is Breath of the Wild, Zelda Breath of the Wild, my favorite game. Okay, there it is. Can't wait to put it up, wherever I'm going to put it. There goes Doherty. Look who else is here, Bobani. Oh yeah. Oh. I want to take a picture.
Okay? And then we're gonna try to find our seat where you sit down. All right, wave bye to your mom and dad. Oh, friend.
Bye, Doherty.
Bye.
Just ended work. What'd you call me for?
Okay, here's the surprise. You ready? There is a snack called Dunkaroos.
Oh gosh.
You're gonna love them. The icing that goes on top of the cake is on the other side. Wait.
Let's see it, Mom.
How old is it?
The finer things in life.
How old is it? It's
Let's
a
see
new
it, Tono.
item.
Doherty. Big boy. Going to school.
I saw Doherty.
What about Brigitte Sue?
Yep. He's in room 156.
She bit it.
What about Brigitte Sue?
You like it, baby?
Ooh, it's yum yum, Brigitte Sue. See?
I gave her just
Does that look right?
You just gotta mix it.
Huh? Actually, you just gave me an idea.
You made
No,
it.
look at that. What's in there?
Okay, yours isn't good.
Can I see?
We're suing!
Well, mine's it's the color of the confetti. Those are just the confetti dots.
Oh, true.
Hey, look.
That's really good. Brigitte Susie, look at you. Oh my goodness, you're the best. You're going the wrong way. Go around. You know, huh? Right here, Bert. Right here. Oh, oh. She got too excited. That's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on.
okay.
It's right here. Right here. Bridgie. All right, Brigitte, go. Brigitte, go. Brigitte. Oh, oh, oh. Keep going forward. Keep going. Go. Brigitte, go. Go. Brigitte, go. Go. Keep pushing. Push, 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 push. Go, Brigitte, go. Woohoo! Yeah, Brigitte.
You want to show Dada how you can drink out of a straw?
Brigitte, close your lips. You're teaching her.
She's like,
She's doing good.
hey, not that much water's falling.
That's not bad, Gurgly. Good girl.
Look at Toto.
You guys look so good.
Kind of look weird. This flat.
You look like Harry Potter. If you don't put them on, you're not Harry Potter.
It looks really good.
Doherty looks good with his gun. Tono, let's see your sword.
Where's baby?
You got a new sword.
Where's baby?
That's so amazing. I don't know if you can bring that to school, but
You can't. You can't bring weapons.
okay.
All these.
Susie.
Ah, Vita did it. I didn't.
Brigitte Susie. Who could it be? Look at it be, Bridget. It's Jenny! Bridget Susie.
Ay, my love. Ay, yeah. Okay, we're leaving.
How long are you taking my baby for?
3 days.
Oh my gosh! Bridgie, bye!
like, whatever.
Bye, Berkeley.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye. Interesting Friday night. The kids are all gone. My wife's in Salt Lake. And I'm all alone. Tomorrow morning we're going to have the fridge installed and you'll see that. But I tried my best not to go out and buy dinner. And so I made my own. So here's what I did. Inspiration from my friend Brent, who cooked zucchini with us. I didn't have Parmesan cheese. And so I kind of cooked it in the oil. So this is how it turned out. I think it looks alright. When I pulled it out of the oven as it baked, it fell apart, which means it's probably good. Of all of the tasks that I would be expected to do as a new homeowner, I never thought this really would be one of them. I'm actually quite disappointed that I have to do this. Because as many of you may know, I am very, very allergic to animals, especially dogs and cats. But apparently in my own yard, I still have to clean up after them for some reason. A dog infiltrated our house because a child left the gate open and it went through that back door. As you can see, there's like a net there. This morning, Theodore and Evie were rudely greeted, not awakened, but they were greeted by a gigantic dog in their face in Theodore's room. Yeah, that was the thing that happened. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop up this poop and end the night. Ew, it's disgusting. That is gross. On to tomorrow's video.
Yeah?
Yep.
Enderezate.
Ok, ¿para dónde? ¿Para mi derecha o para mi izquierda?
Derecha, derecha, derecha.
¿Eres chofer o no? Dale, ¿ya? ¿Listo?
Ya.
Vámonos.
Wow,
dónde?
Derecho.
that's so cool. I've never seen that before.
Ya.
Ok.
It's huge. Oh, it's great. It's Nana and Ellie. Everyone's finally home after like 3 days of being at each other's houses.
Everyone's jumping up and she's like,
Bridgie.
then you got her and she starts.
4 hours later, the fridge has cycled through all of its stuff, and oh, you put stuff in it. I was gonna say the first thing that was in there was the most important. Eggs.
What about eggs?
I'm just being funny, it's milk. Milk's the most important thing.
But all of our drinks, I think we have to put them here.
Well, you can see that you can move.
I know, but this is already at the top.
Uh-huh.
So we need to take this completely out and like put it in storage if we want to put bottles upright.
Did we make ice yet?
I pushed the ice button this morning.
What do you mean you pushed the ice button?
There's a button here that says Ice Plus.
Oh, so it's not been making it because I didn't push the ice button.
I think so.
Bridget, do you want some more cat sounds? Okay, Google, what does a cat sound like?
This is what cats sound like.
We love kitties. Look how many kitties you have, Burgley. Burgley, what does a cat sound like?
Meow.
Meow.